Paul.
Huh?
I know you've been out.
What?
You've been out of your room.
No, I haven't.
Paul. My little ceramic penguin in the study always faces due south.
I don't know what you're talking about. Ceramic penguin?
Is this what you're looking for? I know you've been out twice, Paul. At first I couldn't figure out how you did it. But last night, I found your key. I know I left my scrapbook out. I can imagine what you might be thinking of me. But you see, Paul, it's all okay. Last night it came so clear. I realized you just need more time. Eventually you'll come to accept the idea of being here. Paul, do you know about the early days at the Kimberley diamond mines? Do you know what they did to the native workers who stole diamonds? Don't worry, they didn't kill them. That would be like junking a Mercedes just because it had a broken spring. No, if they caught them, they had to make sure they could go on working, but they also had to make sure they could never run away. The operation was called hobbling.
Annie, whatever you're thinking about doing, please don't do it. Annie, for God's sake.
Shh, darling. Trust me.
God's sake!
It's for the best.
Annie, please! Ah!
Almost done. Just one more. God, I love you.